Hello and welcome to this first episode of Do-It-Yourself tutorial. My name is Bear. I'm from Belgium and maybe you recognize me from the synchronic swimming team. Today we are going to reveal some of the tremendous powers of our body. What most people don't know is that we use only 0.36% of the capabilities of the human body and brain, which leaves the most remarkable possibilities unused. Today we will unveil some of these powers and use them to make potatoes. Yes, homemade fresh potatoes. Of course, potatoes are only an example. You can make everything you can imagine with this system. The one and only ingredient we need for making our potato, we will take from our own body. Of course, we also have to use some specially developed instruments from my laboratory. As a start, I advise to focus on the subject by taking a 2-hour Google session on searching and viewing images of your subject. In this case, potatoes. This will prepare your body to produce the ingredient correctly. The most time-effective way to retrieve the ingredient from your body would be an incision. But since this could only be performed well by a certified surgeon, we will go for another option. The following images could be damaging to children's eyes, so please watch them in private before showing it to your children. I will cough up the ingredient through my throat, which has the advantage of being able to do the crafting and forming of the raw material in my mouth. As you can see, I formed the material my body produced into small sticks having the specifics of common French fries. But this is not a potato yet. Let's first make some more of these. Now that we have enough, we have to go to my laboratory to put these French fries in my specially designed unfrying machine. Please follow me. Welcome in my underground laboratory. We just made the French fries as we saw, and now we're going to put them in my specially designed deep fryer. Here we go. I have to be very careful with the chemicals in the machine. Now let's leave these for a few minutes. Let's have a look if the unfryer has done its job. It took about 10 minutes to unfry the fries. After the deep fryer is done, we are left with fresh potato sticks, unfried. All we have to do now is put this potato puzzle together and sort out the right pieces and build a potato from them, just like working with Lego. And we are back again. After the unfrying process, we have this huge pile of unsorted potato sticks. We can see it as a potato puzzle, from which we can sort out the right parts and build a potato from them. Almost like Lego. Before we put these pieces together, we have to soak them in this specially manufactured glue. We have to soak them for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of soaking in the glue, we can start puzzling our potato. Now that we have the right parts together for building our potato, which took me about 16 minutes, we can put them in the potato assembler, which I built before. Just put the sticks in the right hole and pull the lever. Wow, that really is amazing. It worked perfectly. Let me put this away. Now you can start to see what we are going to. It's already looking like a potato. To give it a final touch, we use some leftover potato peels I found outside. We also need the leftover glue we used before. We just use the same glue as we used before to carefully put the peels in place and wrap our potato with it. Let's do that. Last but not least, we soak our potato in this muddy substance to give it a nice and dusty finish. Here we go. And look, in about 1 hour time we built our own potato. Genetically identical to the ones you buy at the grocery store. This system gives us unimaginable possibilities. We could stick this very potato in the ground and grow a potato plant from it. Think of the way we could change the world by having people make their own foods. With that, we come to the end of this episode. I hope you found it useful and start experimenting with the given information. If you have any questions, don't hesitate and contact me. Just visit DIYtutorial.com.